Hi. So yeah, I know every parent's dream is to have their children's brighter future, and one key part of that is their education. And did you know nga the best part to start saving for their college education is now? And there are five reasons why you can start planning for your education now. Number one is rising tuition fee cost. Karon nagkataas na gyud ang tuition fees, and inflation by stats 10 to 12% either sa Manila or din sa province. Ang inflation 10 to 12% every year ang increase na sa sa tuition fees sa eskwelahan. And number two is compound growth potential. Kung earlier mo ka mag-save for them or mag-plan for them, ang imong kwarta mo kadako kay nga naman makabit na possibility mabit niya ang inflation sa imong gi-save nga kwarta para sa ilang education. Number three is increased financial aid opportunities. Kay nga no, dili ra man gud ang tuition fee imong bayaran kung muskwela sila, na po sila daily allowances nila, kintahay og mag-boarding magsaka sila o mag-board sila sa ila wala dili sila doon sa inyo sa eskwelahan, so mag-rent sila balay o apartment or asa sila magpuyo, and ang gahanap po safety ng ilang puyan. Number four is empower your child choice, na sila option nga maka-choose sa course nga ilang ganahan o sa eskwelahan nga gusto nila adto. Number five is peace of mind. So knowing that secure na ilang college education, so maka-focus na ka sa support nila while they are schooling, kanang moral support bitaw kanang to push them forward and not to give up on their dreams. And yeah, we are help like a finance advisor are here to help personalize plan for your child's education. And if you know somebody near you, you can ask them and help you guide for your child's college education. And yeah, thanks. Bye.